Well, hello there, and welcome back to the Racing Trucker. Hey, we are in Toms Brook, Virginia right now, and we are headed for Watkins Glen. So today we're going to make it to Watkins Glen. We're on our way there for a 2-day test. So we're going to leave Virginia and we're going to go through a little sliver of Maryland and then get into Pennsylvania. Yesterday I was saying that we were near the Virginia-Pennsylvania state line. That doesn't exist. I haven't been through this route in years, and I totally forgot that there's a little sliver of Maryland that goes through there that we have to kind of go through first. So we're going to do that, go across Pennsylvania into New York, go up to upper state New York to the Finger Lakes region where Watkins Glen is. Today's kind of a double video. We're going to do trucking and we're going to do race car stuff. Once I get to Watkins Glen, the guys are going to meet me there. And then at 6 o'clock tonight, we're going to load in. So we're going to go in. We've been assigned a garage. We're going to park near the garage, unload the trailer, set up the garage, and set up pit for our next 2 days testing. So let's go. Before I take off, I want to show you guys something here. I pulled up to the pumps and I got some fuel. So right here is where I turned to the left to leave. Directly in front of me, that truck is double parked. The actual parking space is behind him, and there is somebody there. This is how desperate people get at night. He's double parked right there, causing everybody to leave these pumps here to have to turn sharper or possibly hit them. So that's why I always try to get a spot that is kind of unblockable for that reason right there.
I was 18 and certain that the world was mine to claim. Had a restless heart and a head full of bigger names. Every road beyond the county line looked paved in gold, and every dream I carried felt too big to hold. So I pointed my wheels toward the rising sun, certain something better waited somewhere on the run. I left without looking back at what I knew, chasing distant answers like young believers do. The miles rolled under me, the years rolled by. I kept looking for truth in a changing sky. I chased every sunrise down the far-off line, thought the next horizon held what I couldn't find. But the road kept teaching what my heart already knew. The horizon wasn't the answer, it was leading me to truth. Every mile I wandered, every wrong turn too brought me closer to the life I thought I outgrew. I worked hard beneath 100 different roofs, met people who could talk but couldn't prove the truth. Watched fortune rise and fall like shifting sand, saw strong men lose themselves chasing what they couldn't stand. Some nights felt endless under borrowed light, some victories faded before the morning light. The farther I traveled, the clearer it became. A different view won't always change the man. The noise grew louder, the meaning grew thin. I started hearing home in the quiet again. I chased every sunrise down the far-off line, thought the next horizon held what I couldn't find. But the road kept teaching what my heart already knew. The horizon wasn't the answer, it was leading me to truth. Every mile I wandered, every wrong turn too brought me closer to the life I thought I outgrew. The old church still stands on the edge of town, the same bells ringing when the sun goes down, the same front porch where stories fill the air, the same open sky and people who still care. What I was searching for was never far away. I just had to leave to see it that way. I came back older with a weathered soul, carrying lessons only long roads know. The houses look smaller than they did back then, but the peace I found that felt bigger than it's ever been. I stood in the driveway as the evening fell, and finally understood what the years were trying to tell. I chased every sunrise down the far-off line, thought the next horizon held what I couldn't find. But the road kept teaching what my heart already knew. The horizon wasn't the answer, it was leading me to truth. Every mile I wandered, every wrong turn too brought me closer to the life I thought I outgrew. The road still calls, the world still turns, but some of life's best answers are the ones you earn. The wind moves softly across the fields, a grateful heart finally healed. The horizon wasn't the answer.
Okay, we just crossed into New York out of Pennsylvania. It looks like we got about 50 more minutes and we're at the track. It's been about 10 years since I made this run from the south up to Watkins Glen. Past few years, I usually come up here either from mid-Ohio or from out west. So I totally forgot about how beautiful this whole entire stretch is. And then also, I forgot that there's when we leave Virginia, go through about 25 miles of West Virginia and then about 8 miles of Maryland to get into Pennsylvania. My high school geography teacher would have slapped me upside the head if he knew I forgot that. So not too far to go, and then we'll get to Watkins Glen. And there, the guys will meet me, and we'll at 6 o'clock. Right now, it's what time is it right now? It's 1 o'clock. So I'll get there about 2. So I'll rest for a little bit, and then at 6 o'clock we load in. Getting back to this route, I totally also forgot about all the small towns you go through. So today's was only 6 hours of driving, but a little tiring going through all the towns and everything. Yes, I have an automatic. It's easy, but it still kind of taxes you a little bit. Went through Williamsport, which is home base for the Little League series, so that's really cool to see. And now we just got a little bit more of this beautiful forest here to go through, and we'll be there. Okay, I have arrived at Watkins Glen. Weather's a little cool. It's nice. It's way nicer than it was down in North Carolina. It's not hot and balmy like it was down there. So it's about 1:30. Got here in great time. So the guys are going to arrive a little bit later, and we're going to load in at 6 o'clock. So we're going to switch over now, guys. We're going to go from a trekking video to trackside video. We're going to load in. We're going to park next to our garage and then load all this stuff momentarily. See you guys then. Well, it's 6 o'clock now, but we just been advised that we got a nice little thunderstorm coming through here in a couple minutes. So they're going to hold off on moving us in until this thing passes. Well, here's our garage space. We're parked right over there, and it's pouring down rain. We're going to unload in the rain, just park everything in the garage just for tonight, and then we'll probably set up pit in the morning after it stops raining. Well, it's now 9 o'clock. Still pouring down rain outside. Got the trailer kind of situated. A lot of stuff still needs to go outside, but we'll have to wait for the morning for that. And we got the cars and all the equipment sitting in the garage. Alrighty, 9:30 at night. We are done. Everything's stored in here till tomorrow morning. Alrighty, guys. Well, that's it from a very wet and cold Watkins Glen. We're all ready for tomorrow. We're kind of ready for tomorrow. So join me tomorrow, guys. We got a full day of testing. So we're going to start off with a breakfast here at the track. Apex puts on great breakfast and good coffee. And then we'll get on track and start testing the Mustangs and see if we can make them fast and prepped for the race coming up in 2 weeks. See you then.